Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Filthy Chris back on the Filthy Kicks channel, and you already know what today we got. We got Test That Product Thursdays, baby. As you guys can tell, yes, I did get the haircut. I kind of got it a little sooner than I expected. I did tell you guys are probably gonna see me next week with the haircut, but I was like, yo, I have a huge video coming up this weekend. I'm gonna film it, and I kind of wanted to look fresh for the video, you know, so I was like, we might as well look fresh for this video for Thursday and Saturdays, and then Tuesday's video also we should look fresh, you know. So I mean, I'm gonna try to, you know, stay in there and try to keep the cuts as looking fresh as possible. But in today's video, we are going to be testing these wipes. They are said to clean your shoes, take out any stains, and honestly, I'm excited because I'm a huge fan of these wipes. I'm not gonna lie, I like the little wiping cleaners rather than like the actual like spray-ons with the brush. You have to brush, get in there, you know. The wipes is just like quickly just wipe it down. And on top of that, these are really good because you can take them on the go with you. Look how big these are. Boom, pop these in your pocket, you know, put these in your pocket, and you could just boom go on a travel trip. And you know, you got this bad boy right here. You ever get your shoe dirty, you know, just pop this right out and start wiping your shoe real quick. I'm that type of person that when my shoe gets dirty, I like to keep my kicks really clean. So these definitely come in handy. As you guys can tell, we rarely had any shoes to clean, and when you guys saw the shoes, there were barely any dirty. But some of these shoes I did purchase off other people, so they were used shoes, like these right here, the band. These, I got these for only $70, man. These band mids, dude, it's crazy. So crazy to me that I actually basically robbed my mans, bro. Basically robbed him. Only thing was that it has bunny hair right there. I don't know if you guys can see that. Boom, has bunny hair right there. That's about it. Just a little bit of dirtiness on the midsole. Other than that, man, got a scuff right here, probably from like taking off the shoe. Yikes, but that's always fixable. The bottoms, all stars are intact, no heel drag. Very minimal, very minimal, very minimal. Look at that. Very minimal heel drag. If you'll focus, there you go. Very minimal, as you can see there. And up on the top, all stars are still intact. Boom. Perfect condition shoe in my opinion. This is really a 9. I know it looks like it's like crumbled right here, but honestly, if you put in the little trees, the trees are known to take out the creases or like those little bumps that you get on your shoes because your shoe like kind of like caves in, especially with like this material right here. I don't know what material this is exactly, but it's very nice. I like this material. If any of you guys know what this material is on this shoe, please let me know. Pretty nice shoe, honestly. If these were in 10.5, I definitely rock these. These are such a nice shoe, dude. Like we're gonna switch this game up with these shoes. We're gonna make these look brand new, and we're gonna flip them. $70. I'm gonna try to ask for $200 at least for these bad boys because they're fresh. I'm pretty sure somebody out there would pay $200 for these, especially if I make them look really nice and I put the trees in them. The like literally no creases on the leather right here. No creases on the leather either. It's just that little cave in right there that's just bugging me a little bit. Obviously, we relace the shoes, we make them look nice. I think he probably has them too tight. That's probably what it is too. But yeah, let's get to work. Let me give you guys the new POV. Alright, so as you guys can see, here are the shoes right here. Very nice shoe, I'm not gonna lie. This shoe, if these were in my size, these would be my go-to shoe, because these shoes are so crazy, dude. Like, imagine if I got these in high, dude. Just imagine. You know how much those cost? They cost a good arm and a leg, I'm not gonna lie. But let's unlace these shoes. Laces are in very good condition, dude. This shoe is just like overall in good condition. I don't know why I waited so long to just like clean it up and stuff. I should have cleaned it the day I got it. This shoe, man, it's crazy. I don't even want to sell this shoe, honestly. at this point, it's just like I like this shoe a lot, man. I don't know why bro let it go for so low. Alright, so we finally got the shoe naked here. Very nice shoe. Look at this, dude. Look at this. Jordan's still in there. Sticker's still in perfect condition. Like literally no lint from the sock. None of that. Like perfect condition. It just has hairs in there. And that's the only thing that I can see that's wrong. Just the hairs. Aside from the hair, man, this shoe is really nice, which we are going to remove the hairs. I'm also going to be using a lint roller as well. I'm going to link both of these items down below. So we got the shoe cleaner right here, and then we got the lint roller right here. I'm going to link both of them down below if you guys want to pick them up for a low cost. I'm going to try to find the cheapest one I can for you guys, so we can all save money. And obviously we gotta clean the material up with this, take off these hairs. We're gonna just roll the lint roller around first, and then we're gonna start going to work with the actual shoe cleaner. Just has a little bit of dust here and there. Obviously gonna clean it with these wipes. Let's see the first look at the wipes. Here we are. Okay. As you guys can see, very small wipe. Very moist. You guys can probably hear it. Alright, let's close this. Let's get to work on this shoe. Oh dude, these wipes clean up so nicely right here. Wow, they left it really white. As if like I literally just brushed it down. That's how nice it looks. And I obviously need this to dry a little bit, and we'll probably take pictures of these. It kind of like stayed on the tip of this shoe, but it should dry up. We'll give it some time. I'm pretty sure I'll need 2 per shoe, and I pray you'll probably use 4. I'm gonna use another one just to clean it up nicely on the bottom, and midsole get it cleaned up nicely. So after finally cleaning the laces and cleaning the shoe itself, I just can't seem to get the dirt out of here. I guess I just need to like brush it out itself. Like as you guys can see right there, the dirt's still trapped in there. I'm assuming this person wore the shoe like out to like the dirt. Kind of bad decision, but yeah, overall the shoe got cleaned up very nicely with that little towel. Not gonna lie, it does pretty good cleaning. This is a scuff mark that was already there on the shoe. As you guys can see, pretty much clean overall. The shoe was very clean on its own. Laces are very clean now. Cleaned them up, laced them up, locked them in there. Put a little cardboard in there that comes with the shoe from another shoe. And I'm gonna go take some pictures of these shoes. Hopefully they come out nicely. I just don't like how it has that little. You guys can see right there, it has like a little bump. Can't really see it on camera until I turn it to the side like that. Then you guys can see it. But overall, it looks pretty clean. The shoe is very clean, honestly. I sprayed it with, you guys remember the sneaker deodorizer we tested on here? I don't know if you guys can see that, but it got to the point where I was rubbing it hard enough to where like almost the paint was coming off. It's a little red right here. I don't know if you guys can tell, but slightly red right there. I was rubbing off the paint a little bit. I got kind of worried, and I was like, man, I might be messing up the shoe, like cleaning it up that hard. So try not to scrub your shoe that hard, because you guys saw I was scrubbing it because I was trying to get the dirt off. But overall, it cleans up the shoe nicely. Just don't scrub it too hard when you're wiping your shoes, because it can possibly remove the paint off of it. I mean, it did a pretty good job on the bottom. It was a little dusty down here, but now it's like pretty much clean. I am gonna list these up because they are ready for sale already. I could probably get rid of them right away today, honestly, if I have serious buyers. But yeah, overall, this product, I'd give it a 9 out of 10. Very good product. Just gotta really get in the edges when you're trying to get the dirt out. Try not to use this as your sneaker cleaner product. Try to use, like, I recommend, like, yeah, using like the brush. I think the best one we've tried so far is probably the Vans cleaner. That's probably my favorite one out of all of them, because it came with the little brush too for only $19.98, which is pretty good, honestly, in my opinion. A little pricey, but it does come with it. I am gonna test out another product next week, so stay tuned for that. I'm gonna try getting another little pack like the Vans cleaner, but instead another brand, and see how good their products clean up, because I do have another shoe that I need to clean up, so we're gonna get that going. Other than that, man, I hope you guys did enjoy the video. Stay tuned for more. Like and subscribe, and if you guys haven't already followed our Instagram, down in the description, go ahead and do that. We also have the Twitter as well. But I'm gonna get some pictures of these shoes. I'll put them up right here. The pictures are here. Other than that, man, peace out.